Hi, this is Ginger Cook with the Academy of Fine Art and Acrylic Painting and your happy personal art coach. The questions come up. I don't know where the videos are that have the challenge pieces. First off, let me explain that we've only done this in the last couple of years, and it was based on the idea that people would say, oh, Ginger, I can follow along your tutorials perfectly. And then when I try to do it on my own, I get stuck. So we thought that the challenge piece, which was a similar painting to you, the reference, a similar type of painting style and everything to what you had already learned to paint, then you do that on your own, like real soon, and you'll retain the memory. And that has worked. We found everybody that does that really, really improves. But then people say, well, where are they? Okay, so I'm on the home page and I'm going up to lesson listening. Now, this is just generally what we're doing for now. When the whole new, um, we're doing it, we're hoping to have our newest website open this fall, but for right now, this is where you find them, okay? So I'm going to say newest tutorials. All right, now here's the European robins, okay? So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to come on down here and it says, here's the paints you need to use. And then here's my painting reference. And then you're looking and you're saying, what is it? Bonus reference for pink, red, and purple members only. See that big sign right there? And then this is your challenge piece right there. That's your challenge lesson. Okay. That's how you find them on YouTube. Now, let's go back. Okay. Let's come up to lesson listing and let's go down a cut. Let's do let's do this one. Wild Rushes, okay? That's another YouTube lesson, okay? So we're coming down here, table content, Ginger's painted reference, original references. Uh, okay. All right. And then down here, it just says companion references, okay? Wild Rushes, Blue Cattails companion reference for Academy members. That was the companion. So somewhere along in that menu, it's going to read, it's either going to be here or there, okay? Now let's go back up to um, let's go back up to lesson listings, current tutorials, and let's look at Academy lesson. So, not like I say, not all Academy lessons have them, but I'll go back a few pages, right? And I think all right, here's Hank's Landing. That's an Academy lesson. The Red Boathouse, okay? Now, when you go down to table of reference, companion reference, Hank's Landing, companion lesson. Here was the companion reference for that, okay? So you can scroll through. Now you can go back to, um, now the other way you can find things, okay? So because we don't have a search engine called Companion, I don't believe. I don't think if you hit Companion you could find anything. But we don't have that yet. So for instance, the older lessons don't have them. The newest YouTube lessons do have them. Um, but let's go back to our newest tutorial. So let's scroll down a few. Let's just come back. Let's just make some more. Let's just scroll down to here. Now, Modern Odyssey, The Gift, that had a companion with it. I know that. Um, Aunt Amelia's had one. Uh, the Field Mouse had one. I don't believe the Hatteras Lighthouse had one. That was YouTube. Um, but the Field Mouse had one. So you almost have to kind of look for now. And for the poodle dog, we just did it each one. We did a black one and didn't make them as companions. We made them separate lessons. The longhorn was a YouTube tutorial. When you come scroll down on here like that, it references there was no companion for that. All right. So when you know that, so that's how you find them, and that might be something we might be able to incorporate in our when we rebuild the website. That might be something that John can incorporate. At some point, maybe you'll be able to type in companion, but currently now you can't. Okay. So like I say, let's just keep going here for a little bit. I want to make this a little longer because I think it will help. I'm going to go back. and find that. I'm pretty sure, like the I know the YouTube girl that didn't have it, but the cottage did. The thistles on the post fence post did, but Misty the dog didn't. The thinking lady with Van Gogh had one, didn't, but the winter boat had one. So have fun, explore our tutorials and see. I know the teddy bear had one, this one had one, the holiday cookies had them, the ducks had them. Uh, but but Chuck snoozing by the fire, he didn't have one. Oh, poor Chuck. And then I just said they don't all have them, but a lot of them had them. Okay. And I'm pretty sure that Jennifer's Maltese puppy did not have one, puppy in a basket, but it might have, because it's still pretty new. Puppy in a basket might have had, you know what? I think it did. Companion reference. Here it is, traceable. So pretty much everybody had them. That was the other one. Okay? How cute is that? So that's how you find them. I hope that answers your question. All of you who've been asking.